Welcome to my channel. This is my new tutorial. Open a new part file. I'll start a sketch on the top plane. Try a couple of cycles. One space cycle, diameter 240 mils. Next one, diameter of 56. Now switching to a corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle. Pick this midpoint and the origin. Make merge. Now make a length of 33 millimeters for a dimension, and dimension the other side 10 millimeters. Did another cycle. Okay. Let's draw another circle from the origin. Stretch it up. That will be diameter 120. Close sketch, extrude. Select contours. Change direction. An extrusion of 20 millimeters. Okay. Another extrusion. We're gonna reuse the sketch again because we made more than one contour over this contour. Now change direction. Extrude up to 120. Going down 120 millimeters. Okay. Now create a sketch and the front plane. Gotta cut through that key slot there. Just draw a couple of lines and line up. Straight sideways, get line and angle, we'll put dimensions in later. Just draw roughly. Leave it at that because we're going to use the offset function to get the thickness there. Do another line that you also leave like that. Now join those two lines. Dimension, that will be 30 millimeters. From there to that edge over there, that's 84 millimeters. And from this edge, to that line, that's not important. You can put any dimension there. I'll put 40. That's the part that goes into the motor, so it doesn't matter. Angle, this line goes down at an angle of 45 degrees. Now let's make an offset of 30, reverse direction. Got that. Now we're going to trim this to the corner so it cleans up the corner there. Same thing on this side. That's clean. This side here also going to be 30 millimeters, the thickness. Lovely. Now you want the distance from there to the top of that thing there. That's going to be 40. And then distance from the distance from the origin to the I'll use construction line to get that. That will be the diameter, that pulse cycle diameter we're going to use later. That will be 400. Lovely. Now our sketch is fully defined. Here's the sketch. Do a mid-plane extrusion. Go extrude and connection mid-plane and make that 56. That's perfect. Make a sketch on this face. Draw a circle from this midpoint. If it hits the edge, it's going to be 56, and that's what you're looking for. And it's fully defined. Make another circle there of diameter 30. Lovely. Now, exit sketch. Extrude. For now, I'll just pick everything. We'll cut the hole in later. Select all contours. And then change direction. We're starting from an offset of 15, and then we're going up 60. That should be 15 on either side and 30 with the thickness of the balls there. Okay, that, and now make a sketch on this face. Draw that circle of diameter 30. If you hover there, you find the center will appear. Put the circle there, 30 diameter. Exit sketch, extrude cut. That should go up to next, and you got yourself a hole over there. Now select all these features and circular pattern. Find any circular edge, and you need 3 of these things. And yeah, okay. You can choose the material, it's not important. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos and subscribe to my channel.